Hey guys, what's going on? It's Gamer Queen back with another video, and whilst I do my intro, I'm just gonna quickly join the server. I just wanted to quickly talk about Ellie Shadowwolf. She's telling me to F off in a game that I just went on Roblox, and so is Georgia. So if any of those are watching this, I just want to say, get your language straight and girl, it's Roblox. What you blibbered expect? Also, I'm really stuffy today, so I'm sorry about my stats and everything. So, anyway, I just want to say, do you know, in all my videos, I've been really kind to Ellie Shadowwolf. I've never ever been like, oh my god, I hate her unless she's done something to me. Well, now she's done something to me. And it's really hurt me in the feelings. And I hate it when I get upset on like videos or stuff. And she's really hurt my feelings. Because one, she said she hated Georgia and she lied about it, and then she told me to F off. So, yeah, so that's what's going on. So let's get into the video. Just pretend that talk is gone now. That talk is out of my system. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Gamer Queen back with another video, and today we are back at my high school. Well, I've kind of got a lot over Royal High. Royal High was a really good school. I quite liked it. But I just thought I would come here for a day, see how it is, and then if I like it, I'll move out of Royal High School here. So firstly, we're gonna grab our books. Okay, let's grab our books, and then we're gonna go, we will see our, we'll see our next period. Okay, where's my planner? Where is my planner? Because I remember I wrote one down. Yeah, we go, view search schedule. Okay, so period 1, it was just lunch, so now it's PE. It's gonna be PE next. So we can put all the books back. Okay, now my back is very free. We're gonna have a look in the quickly have a look in the shop for maybe a backpack, because I'm getting tired of carrying around all my books. So I'm gonna go to the shop and have a quick looky around. Oh my god! Oh, I'm gonna have a quick looky around. And we're going to see if we can find backpack. Oh, PE starting soon. I literally don't have long. I really don't have long. We don't need costumes. We need backpack. Backpack. That sounds so good. Okay, got this. Oh my god. We have these. We got this. Okay, we're just gonna go to hats. Oh, there we go. Wing. We're gonna look up back. Let's see what the backpack looks like. Oh my god, it's so big. No. That is humongous. Why are they also large? That is even big. Oh my god. Why are they also huge? Probably not even going to get a backpack at this rate. They're also big. Oh. We're going to have to go to PE. Looks like we have to wear this backpack for PE. This is really weighing down my back. It's really weighing down my back. Okay. So, whilst I still have 6 seconds left, I'm going to run into edit avatar. I'm going to have 4 seconds left. We're going to have to poo! Okay, I'm going to play some dodgeball. I'm going to go for this. 3, 2, 1, Go. I got her, I think. I got her. But then again, I'm really bad at PA. I'm gonna try get the girl who runs here first. Okay, I'm just gonna catch some balls and then throw them. And then catch and throw. No! I'm gonna go grab a ball really quick. Grab. And we'll go boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, so close to getting her. I'm going to try going to the other side and try and get them. Firstly, we're going to grab lots of balls. Okay, we have 4. And I'll have 5 if I grab these. Okay, no. Yeah. Yay. I got you. I got you. She has 1 heart left. Oh my gosh. She has 1 heart left. She has a heart left. Okay, I will get her. My mouse isn't fast enough. Oh. Okay, Isabel just texted me. Bye. I unfriendly you. Okay, bad speller. I'm also gonna block her right now, you guys, because she's like, I'm unfriending her. So I'm gonna block her. No, she can't text me, and yeah. Oh, I'm gonna text her one more time and say, I guess that sleepover's never gonna happen then. Because she really has wanted to sleep over at my house. I'm gonna unblock her and say, guess that sleepover will never happen. And then Nina, I never trusted you. My mum was right. Now I'm gonna block her again. And now she's never gonna be able to mess with me again. Sorry about that. We have -2 points. What? You say what? We lost! We lost! Okay. I'm probably got like, my grade is on a B right now. A B! Not a B plus, not a B minus, a B. Yeah, that just brought my grade down. I was on an A! I don't know how it brings my grade down that much, but while we have a little bit of time left, now we can take this hideous back off. Whew! Now that's off, that's great. Oh my god, those wings. I have wing. Like a galaxy person. I love Lauren Zad. She's like the best YouTuber in the world. Also Kira Bridget. Yeah. Also Yummy Actor Works. Also Weldy Shadow Lady. Also every YouTuber. I'm gonna give it, at this rate, I'm gonna give everyone a shout out. So I'm gonna probably have to end the video here. Because I'm gonna end up literally giving every YouTuber I know a shout out. So we're gonna have to exit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I upload almost every single day. And as always, I'll see you guys very, 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 very soon. Bye bye.